How's it going, everyone? This is Daniel, and in this video we're going to be talking about Tesla stock. We're going to go over some new Tesla software updates that launched today. We're going to be talking about what these features are. We're also going to go over a Tesla Model S owner that decided to explode his vehicle. We're going to be talking about why he decided to do that in this video coming up. As you can see over here, we have Tesla stock that closed yesterday at $1,067. And for the last 5 days, for the last week, we've been doing pretty well for Tesla. We're up 16.74%, which is looking pretty good. You know, we're sitting below at one point last week, $900. Now we're sitting above close to $1,100. So there's been a lot of important updates and features. Elon Musk on his Twitter page, Tesla holiday software update goes to wide release today. So we're going to be talking about, what these software updates include, so as you can see right here, we have introducing the software V11.0. We have the Tesla light show, which looks pretty cool. So we're going to be looking at the 30-second clip of this light show feature for Tesla vehicles. Another update is that we have the new user interface, updated navigation. They added several games, entertainment. Now if you want to browse TikTok, you're able to do that. They also included an update in the audio, blind spot camera, sensory mode, live camera access, comfort suspension when it is in autopilot, cold weather improvements. These are the major software updates that got into effect today. So that is pretty phenomenal for Tesla owners. Now let's talk about a Tesla owner that got pissed and decided to blow up his Model S. So as you can see over here, we have Tesla owner blows up his Model S with Dynamite over $22,000 battery replacement. So the model that he has was the Model S that came out in 2013, and the battery replacement was going to cost him $22,000. He basically decided to blow up his Tesla Model S. Not only did he blow it up, he actually added an Elon Musk mannequin inside his vehicle when he blew it up at that time. So we're going to be watching later on a clip of him blowing up his Model S, but let's go in detail and talk about exactly why the bill was so high. There are warranties available for Tesla vehicles that if there's an issue, Tesla will be able to fix it, but the warranty for this vehicle at this current point in time expired. So Tesla offers an 8-year unlimited mileage powertrain warranties for Model S and Model X. So the warranty expired, this 8-year expired, and we still don't know how many miles that he drove on the vehicle. He might have driven a lot, and usually these kind of battery issues arise when you have approximately 300,000 miles or above. Unfortunately for him, he had two options. The first one is basically to pay this $22,000 and get a replacement, or the second one's to basically salvage the vehicle and sell it for different parts. But he decided, okay, I'm not going to do either of those. I'm basically going to explode this vehicle. The most important thing to know is that the battery pack replacement for high volume vehicles like the Model 3 or the Model Y are expected to be very much less expensive compared to this $22,000 bill that you're getting if you got the older version of the Model S. So this is really good to know that, not just basically this is a model that was relatively older, and the battery pack replacement is going to cost a lot. So if you get the new Model S, Model Y, it's not going to cost that much, plus you're going to have the warranty. So we still don't know much detail about, of course, how many miles that he driven it and etc. So let's just check out the video of him actually blowing up his Model S that included an Elon Musk mannequin inside. So let's check out the video.
Oi vittu! Okay, and then the high speed. And the bright light that is moving on the picture, it's actually explosion traveling many kilometers per second. It's thing called shock tube, and it's been used to transfer the explosion from charge to charge. It's plastic tube and there's very little of explosive inside, and it looks really cool. And now all the smaller stuff is already almost gone. And the next thing that is going to happen is the shock tube is going to transfer the explosion outside of the frame, and then it switches into the death cord, and then when it comes back with the detonation cord, then you see the car disappear. Yeah, there it goes. And the shock wave looks really cool on the high speed. Unfortunately, our wider color camera got turned out because of some damage to power supply. So we didn't catch the wide shot of the detonation cord and the explosion. And here's the monochrome. And this is really fast camera, but the initial explosion is just too bright for it. And interesting thing here is that the shockwave is bit of shape of the car itself. I found that really funny. And yeah, after the fireball grows from this, then it again goes too bright. And it's really sad that we lost the power to the widest camera, because I think that would be the best. I have to admit that I was a bit scared of how it's going to go, but we survived. The safety bunker was enough. The shock wave was so hard that it removed some of the parts from the bunker. As you can see, the planks and truck pallets fell down, so that was a good blast. And some of that probably went over high speeds, but whatever, that was great. And the condition of car, it's surprisingly bad. I thought that there's going to be more left, but it's just in million pieces all around the area. Okay, here are the main parts, and I was a bit wrong. I thought that all this is going to be together, but the rear and front axle are separated, and they are surprisingly good condition. Actually, the side that wasn't on the blast, this and that tire, they're all good. And then very little actually flew to the wall. There is only small stuff. So this time we had too little of dynamite because the car didn't fly towards the wall. Yeah, but the cleanup is going to be surprisingly easy because it's mainly just this area here. And I would thought that there would come more trash from the car, but of course, because it was mainly empty shell, there isn't so much.
Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this Tesla owner that's decided to explode his Model S. And of course, if you're new to the channel, make sure you subscribe to the channel, turn on notification bell. If you want to get 5 free stocks from Momo, check out the links in the description box below. You get 5 free stocks for Christmas. Hope you're enjoying your Christmas Eve. I'll catch you guys on another video. Have a wonderful day.